In this video, I'll be sharing with you 10 free tuition universities in Germany where you can study bachelor's in economics, international business or management. Hi, if you're a returning subscriber, I'm happy to have you once again on my channel, and if you are new to this page, welcome. My name is Favour and I'm a Nigerian currently doing my master's here in Germany. Please don't forget to like the video as it helps the video to be pushed by the YouTube algorithm, and do well to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed and become part of my amazing family. The schools and courses I'll be mentioning in this video are basically bachelor's in economics, international business or management. In the next video, I will also share 10 free tuition universities where you can study masters in economics, international business and management. So do well to let me know where you are watching me from and your course of interest, and hopefully I can make a video on that too. In my previous videos, I have shared step-by-step process of how to study in Germany for free and some benefits of studying in Germany as an international student. So if you haven't seen those videos, please do well to check them out after this one so you can have background information or knowledge about studying in Germany for free. Please don't skip any part of this video so you don't miss any important information. I have a bonus tip I will share at the end of the video, so please do well to watch till the end. So without further delay, I will switch over to my computer right now. Like I mentioned in my previous video, there is one website where you can find all the available schools and courses in Germany, and that is www.daad.de, and I will click on the link right now, and this is the next page. So once you get here, the next thing you have to do is that you click on international programs. And once you click on international programs, what I want you to do is that you will go to course type and select bachelor's, then go to language and select English, then go to field of study and select economics here, right? Then you search. So once you get here, you will have 101 results for your criteria, but I have made the search for you and I have been able to find 10 free tuition universities where you can study international business, management or economics. And one thing you have to do is that you will need to make this application before 15th of July because that is their deadline. So the first course I found for you is bachelor's in international business, and that is in University of Applied Sciences in Berlin. And here you can see that the course is taught in English, and the deadline is 15th of July for the winter section, and the registration you have to apply online. So this is the first course. If you're interested in this course, go through the link and you can get all the information you need and make your application quickly because they will be closing their application on 15th of July. The second university I found for you is University of Applied Sciences in Würzburg, and the course is bachelor's in international management, and you can see that the course is taught in English and the application deadline is 15th of July. And you can see through the registration or the application process, you can see that you will need to apply through their application portal. So you need to go through all this information. If you're interested in this course, please make sure you apply before 15th of July. The next school I found for you is Bergendorf Institute of Technology, and the course is international management. So if you're interested in this course, please make sure you apply before 15th of July. As you can see that the course is taught in English. When you go online, you can be able to find the application process. And here I can see that you will need to apply through the application portal that they have released. So do well to apply to this school before 15th of July. The course or the school is tuition free, so you don't need to pay any tuition fee. The next school is Stralsund University of Applied Sciences, and the course is bachelor's in international management studies in the Baltic Sea region. And if you are interested in this course, please do well to apply before 15th of July. As you can see that the teaching language is English, and when you go to the requirements, you can see the application procedure. If you are interested in this course, please do well to apply before 15th of July. The next course I found for you is bachelor's in international business, and that is in Nürnberg. So if you are interested in this course, please do well to apply before 15th of July. You can see that the teaching language is in English, and here you can find all the information you need concerning the application procedure and application requirements. So if you're interested in this course, please do well to apply before 15th of July. And right now, the next course I found for you is Bachelor's in Management, Economics and Social Science, Driving Sustainable Change, and it is Bachelor of Science, and the school is University of Cologne. So here you can find all the information you need concerning the course, and the teaching language is English, and you can see that the application deadline is 15th of July for the next winter semester. So if you're interested in this course, do well to go through the application requirements and make your application before 15th of July. As you can see, you just need to submit your documents online or make the application online. So if you are interested in this course and the school University of Cologne, do well to apply before 15th of July. The next course and school that I found for you is Bachelor's degree in Business Administration with Informatics, and it is in South Westphalia University of Applied Sciences, ZUST. So do well to make your application, and you can see that the deadline is 15th of July, and the teaching language is English, and you can go through the application process and the application procedure. I think all you need to do here is to apply online. So if you're interested in this course, go through their portal and you can find all the available information you need to make your application before 15th of July. The next tuition-free university that I found for you is Bachelor's degree in Business Economics in Martin Luther University Halle-Wittenberg. So if you're interested in this course, please do well to apply before 15th of July. You can see that the teaching language is in English. Here you can find all the information you need concerning the application procedure and the application requirements. So if you're interested in this course, do well to apply before 15th of July. And here I found another free tuition university where you can study bachelor's degree in economics, and this is the school. It is in Lundberg. So if you're interested in this school and the teaching language is in English, so if you're interested in this school, please do well to apply before 15th of July. Here you can find all the available information you need, the application procedure or the application requirements. So, and I can see that you have to make your application online through Uni Assist and all that. So if you're interested in this course, please do well to make your application before 15th of July. The 10th German university that I found for you where you can study international business, economics or international management free of charge, free tuition, is bachelor's degree in European management, and that is in Technical University of Applied Sciences, Wildau. So here you can find that the course is taught in English and the application deadline is 15th of July. So here you can be able to find all the information you need to apply to this course, and you can be able to see the application procedure and how to go about it. So if you are interested in this course, please do well to apply to them before 15th of July. So like I mentioned earlier, I said I'm going to give you a bonus tip at the end of the video, and here I'm going to give you one more university where you can study international business in Germany tuition free, and that is bachelor's degree in international business, and it is in University of Applied Sciences, Saarbrücken. So if you're interested in this course, please do well to apply to them before 15th of July, and you can see that the teaching language is in English. So if you need more information concerning the application procedure and the application documents, here you can be able to get all the information you need. For those who are social science inclined, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, comment and share to your loved ones. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel. And until my next video, stay blessed. Love you. Bye.